Okay, let's crack the code of Time Farm for daily Oracle code. Click here the earn button. Click the Oracle of Time. Okay, the question is, when did LaborX, the blockchain-based freelancer platform, officially launched? Okay, the answer is November 15, 2018. So click the calendar here. November 15, 2018. 2018. Okay, November 15. Click the 15, then click set. Click check the date. Okay, we got 100,000 points. Okay guys.